Superglue the top of the acrylic female gear housing. Place the acrylic divider on top. Superglue the divider and place the 1/4-20 nut housing on top. Superglue the 1/4-20 nut housing and insert the 1/4-20 nut. Repeat 2 more times and set aside. Remove the round servo horns from each servo package. Collect the 3 acrylic gears and poke out the middle if still intact. Superglue the flat side of the round servo horn. Place the acrylic gear on top. It should fit around the small ring. Repeat 2 more times and set aside. Collect all 3 threaded rods and acrylic shaft couplers. Superglue the 1/4-20 nut and thread in the rod. Repeat for each rod.